Hey, and welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. Today we're taking a look at an '07 EXT. It was a project that we were putting together for a customer and they bailed on us, so we're looking to get our money back out of it. What we've got is a 6-liter LQ4. What I mean by that is it's a Gen 4 engine, 58.2 with dished pistons. Whenever you put boost to an engine, you really on the street want to start with low compression and then put the boost to it. Has an LS9 cam in it. This is a reman engine. We send the parts out to be machined and we put it together here. This engine was tuned up to 10 pounds of boost, at which point the fuel system proved unable to go farther than that. Put a good fuel pump on it, you should be good. This engine should be good up to about 700 horse. I'm thinking at about 13 pounds of boost with proper fueling. It does have a base tune on it. As you can see, it runs, starts, and goes. We're just looking to get out of the project. There is a eBay turbo on it that we've done years out of in the past. Roll off. Obviously, there's a wastegate. It's got the truck manifold on it, the intake manifold, which is proven to be very good for boost. Pressure regulator. You want to make damn sure it gets fuel and doesn't go lean. There's not a whole lot to show you in here. They don't have an oil pressure gauge. Hey, they left me a seat. I've got several codes in here. Most of them are for the transmission. The engine itself is quiet and in great shape. So, if you're looking for a great start to your project, we've got it. We're going to blow this engine out cheap and right. Give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks and LSX for you. The number is 207-457-5500.